WHO corrects its earlier position and now says its own office. This is breaking news coming in. The WHO, the World Health Organization, has corrected its earlier position and now says its own office. We've got our managing editor Rishabh Gulati on this. Rishabh, significant developments coming in. WHO has corrected its earlier position and now says it's its own office. Over to you.
Is the diplomatic way of putting it. What the non-diplomatic, uncharitable way of putting it, that they have at the very least misled and at the very worst lied on behalf of the Chinese. There is a clear indication now that the WHO chief throughout this entire corona pandemic was clearly doing China's bidding, and all the lies that China told, either willingly through error of omission or commission, he has followed along. The WHO as a body is a very important global body. It has done phenomenal work in the past and during the COVID crisis, but there continue to remain and must remain deep suspicions about the individual who has led it. He has now nowhere to hide, and I think perhaps the time has come that the current chairmanship of the WHO, which India holds, of course it's a international body which has to work in terms of cooperation and consensus with everybody else, because it's continuing to do an important work. But all countries now need to take action against this man who basically has created the world's worst crisis in 100 years by lying on behalf of the Chinese. What do you mean when you say that we have corrected our timeline? That means you were lying. Okay. And when you are lying, there have to be consequences. What are they saying now? They are saying now that it was not the Chinese authorities who first told them about a pneumonia-like infection in Wuhan in December of last year. They are now saying it was their own agency, their own office in China that warned them. So basically you are admitting that the Chinese never informed the WHO when there was clearly a serious unknown illness happening in Wuhan in December of 2019. The outbreak in India, for example, began in March of 2020. That's immediately 4 months. 4 months immediately. And the prediction, of course, is that maybe as early as October or November last year, the Chinese knew exactly what was going on. They've lied subsequently, and the WHO chief, not the agency, but the chief himself, now has nowhere to hide. There is only one fate that is ready for him, and he should go down in history along with the Chinese establishment. The WHO current chief should go down in history for having committed a shame on humanity. We should all remember, and we should teach our children his name. We should teach our children's children his name, of how to do a grand disservice to the world.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.